Dear students, welcome back to our English class. We were going through our fourth unit, Dawn of Hope, in which the first lesson, The Jungle Air Crash, written by Julian Kopke. It is a narrative of Julian Kopke in which she is narrating her own experience in the airplane crash and her 11 days in the Amazon forest. So now let's go in detail into the lesson. Let's see the summary of the first 4 paragraphs. Julian Kopke and her mother started from Lima to spend their Christmas with their father, who was an ecologist in their jungle hut, and her mother was an ornithologist who held professionalship at San Marcos University in Lima. Julian was just 17 who had finished a secondary school. They wanted to spend a lot of time in the jungle where they carried out their research. Julian loved flying and boarded Lancer Airline Flight 508. She sat in the third row of the seat from the rear next to the window. Her mother sat beside her and an unfamiliar man on the aisle. There was a normal takeoff and it climbed over the snow-covered Andes mountain. They all had their breakfast and it stretched with the green jungle east to the horizon. All were reading, chatting, and had a holiday mood. As the weather was clear, the flight from Lima to Pucallpa is one of the most beautiful one. After 30 minutes, we were over the jungle. At the time, everything became diminished. Suddenly, we hit a storm front and a completely different experience. The daylight turned dark. Lightning was flashing in all directions. At a time, some invisible power began to shoot their plane, and as if it were a playing thing. People were frightened and they started crying and screaming. All objects such as bags, flowers, packages, toys, jackets, everything fell on their heads. She became blind by that of the flashing light. At the same time, she heard her mother saying, "Now it's all over." Next moment, there was a violent shaking, and she found herself outside the plane, flying apart from it. Still, she was trapped into a seat, but she was falling along. She can remember that she was turning over and over in the air, and the jungle trees below looked like cauliflowers. Then she became unconscious. Let's have a model reading now. The Jungle Air Crash, written by Julian Kopke. I have always enjoyed flying. My mother and I boarded Lancer Airlines Flight 508 as I had just finished secondary school in Lima, and we wanted to spend Christmas with my father in our jungle hut. Daddy, an ecologist, and mother, an ornithologist, held professionalship at San Marcos University in Lima, and we spent a lot of time in the jungle where they carried out researches. I was sitting in the third row of the seats from the rear, next to the window. Mother sat beside me and a man we didn't know on the aisle. Everything seemed quite normal. The takeoff, the climb over the snow-covered Andes, breakfast, the smiling stewardesses, and the green jungle stretching east to the horizon. People were reading or chatting. Everyone was in a holiday mood. In clear weather, the flight from Lima to Pucallpa is one of the most beautiful in the world. But 30 minutes after takeoff, we were over the jungle. Visibility diminished. And then all of a sudden, we hit a storm front. At this time, it was completely different from anything I had experienced before. Broad daylight turned to night around us. Lightning was flashing incessantly from all directions. At the same time, an invisible paw began to shake our airplane as if it were a plaything. People cried out as objects fell on their heads. Bags, flowers, packages, Toys, jackets, and clothing rained down hard on us. Sandwich trays and bags soared through the air. People were frightened. They screamed and started to cry. Outside, I saw a sort of bright yellow flame shooting from the right wing. I was blinded by that blazing light, while at the same time, I heard my mother saying quite calmly, "Now it's all over." An instant later, there was a violent shaking, and I found myself outside the plane, flying apart from it, still strapped into my seat. But I was alone, and I was falling. I can remember turning over and over in the air. I remember thinking that the jungle tree below looked like cauliflowers. Then I lost consciousness. Now, let us familiarize with some of the unfamiliar words. The word aisle means passage between rows of seats. Stewardess means a woman who helps in ship or planes. Take off means to leave the ground and begin to fly. Blazing means very hot. Strapped means secure in the belt. Incessantly means without interruption. Instant means happening or coming immediately. I hope it's clear for you. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. See you in the next class.